Hi and welcome to Seed to Life. I'm so excited today because I have got my cardamom plant. This plant is very healthy and I'm going to plant it in a bigger pot. So it already has three stems and the roots also, let's check the roots. They are healthy. Beautiful. Looks like it is a perfect time to plant it in a bigger pot. Leaves also look so healthy. They are shining and very bright, and the shape is also very pretty. So let's begin. I'm taking a 6-inch pot. It was in a, I think, 2.5-inch pot. So I think this is a good enough pot for the plant. And because there are so many stems that are coming out, I have decided to take a 6-inch one. This is my potting mix. It is very well draining, but it is also rich in compost and peat moss that will help it hold the moisture. Now I'm taking a tray to prevent any mess and just fill the container with the potting mix at least halfway. This is not my first attempt to grow cardamom plant and I have failed multiple times. But I'm hoping that this time I will succeed because I have ordered it in spring. So it has leaves and it will grow. Also, the plant will have enough time to settle in this new environment. To position the plants in the center of the bigger pot properly, you can use the smaller or the original pot as a guide. Fill the outer part with the soil and create a crater in the center. So you can see I'm just filling out the surrounding area, and that will leave a perfect shape or perfect hole for the plant that we're going to plant. I will remove little bit more soil and just place the plant in the hole. Be very careful to avoid any root damage. Now gently place the plant in the proper position and adjust it. So from this side there is less soil, so I'm adding a little bit more so that it comes in the center. I'm now shaking the pot to prevent any air trapped in the soil, uh, but I'm not pressing it very hard. I'm just adding more soil and shaking the pot again. Our plant is now potted and ready to be watered. This is the first time, so water the plant thoroughly to remove any entrapped air in the soil, and yeah, then you're all set. So I have this beautiful pink planter. I'm going to use that for this cardamom plant. So I'll keep this plant in this planter and just look at it. It's so beautiful. I am very hopeful that this time the plant will survive even during winter, even during freeze, and it will grow and it will just keep growing. This is after 1 month. The plant is grown beautifully. It is growing very fast and it has grown many new leaves. And you can see it has grown taller. The height is, it is pretty much taller now. And this stem, it didn't have these leaves last time. It just was a stem. It has grown these two new beautiful leaves. And there are more stems that are emerging. I'm very happy with the growth so far. So the leaves, they are still healthy. You can see some heat damage, but I keep spraying it or misting it 2 to 3 times a day. The temperature in my region is very hot and sometimes the leaves they show some burning at the ends because of the sun or heat damage. It's tiny stalk emerging. Now this is the same plant after 44 days, and you can see there are more stalks that are coming out, 3 more stalks that are coming out, and the plant is growing well. There is a heat damage due to rising temperatures. It requires frequent misting to prevent that. That's it for now. Wait for more updates. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel Seed2 Life for more such videos and updates. You can post your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you. See you again.